Christmas is all about. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering.
What's up, man? More gang, it's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. So today's video, I will be doing a reindeer inspired makeup look. And if you would like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I have been on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, just looking at different reindeer inspired makeup looks. I did go to Dollar Tree and I picked up this reindeer light hat thing. So I will be incorporating that for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and one of my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the look of the eye that I had already completed. Get y'all a good look. So for my eyeshadow palette that I will be using today is the Crayon Case, the MacBook, and I will be taking that brown shade and I will be putting that in my crease and blending it back and forth and doing circular motions as well. When blending my eyeshadow, I like to start off with a light hand and then I like to build it up and apply as I go. So for my transition shade, I will be taking that dark brown and just applying it up under that first color I applied. Then I will be going back with that first shade I used and just blending those edges out so it won't look so harsh. And then I'm going to go back with that dark brown shade and apply more from where it got taken away. Y'all don't come for my eyebrows. Y'all know I'm letting them grow back in. So that's why they look the way they look. So here's the concealer I will be using to cut my crease. I just apply a little bit on my lid and look up. I use this tactic because it helped me to see where I can cut my crease. And to be honest, y'all, this concealer really wasn't needed because it was cakey. It already seemed like it was creasing. So I just really used this to lighten that area. And now I'm just about to go back with the OG, the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I will be applying that all over my lid where I cut my crease at, just so I can use it as a base. And I just want to make sure it's blended out real good, so that's what I'm patting it in. And now I'm about to go back in that Crayon Case eyeshadow palette and use this white color here, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And for my wing liner that I like to use is the e.l.f. liquid liner, and to be honest, y'all, I went a little ahead of myself. I was supposed to use this pigment first, and as you can see, I'm applying that on my lid now, and then I'm gonna finish out my wing. And y'all, this glitter stuff, child, it got all over my face. It was so messy. So I have already completed that. So now I'm just taking that LA Pro Girl concealer and I'm just trying to create that same shape that I have on the left side of my face. And I don't know what kind of shape it is, but I had seen the picture, and so I was just trying to recreate that. So now I'm just making sure that concealer is blended all the way in, and now I'm going to go in and set it with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus banana powder. Then I'll go back into that crayon case eyeshadow palette, and I will be applying that white eyeshadow shade that I had used. I'm just going to apply it right there to brighten it up, and then I'm going to go in and use those two other dark brown colors just to deepen the edges around that shape that I had made. Also going down the sides of my nose like how you will contour, but I'm doing that on both sides. So we are going back into that eyeshadow palette again, and I'm using that brown shade, and I'm just creating a shadow around my forehead and like where I would normally contour and on my chin. So now I'm just going back into that banana powder again. I'm just going to cut my contour just to give it a sharper look. And I also apply my foundation off camera because y'all done see me apply my foundation. I really didn't have to apply much, but I'm just blending in that powder. So I just wetted a Q-tip, and I'm just removing some of that product off my face wherever I'm going to apply my circles. And I'm just using this white pencil, and I'm just making the circle. And I just like to erase some of that product off because I wanted to come off more white instead of like this nude color with that foundation mixed in with that white. And I'm just putting circles wherever, just not no particular way. I just kind of want it all to coordinate.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, that is who you are.
So what I'm doing now, I'm just going back into that white shade that I used in the beginning of the video, and I wish I would have did this first because it made it more easier for me to apply those white spots. So I will be using this red liner to draw on my nose. So I just added this red lipstick and added it on as a second coat. And then I'm going to take this brown lip liner to line the top of my lip. Then I'm going to use this dark brown liquid lipstick and apply it to my top lip as well. And for my bottom lip, I just use that same red lip liner, and I just line the bottom lip, and I'm using this red Kylie lipstick to my bottom lip. Well, that wraps up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.